Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Amazon employee discount. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, you'll need your employee discount code. And to get that, just log in to the Amazon A to Z app or website. So this platform is only available to Amazon employees, so make sure you're signed in. So once you're logged in, go to your account settings, and there, you'll find your employee discount code. Now, open the Amazon.com and shop like normal. Pick any item you want. Let's say I'm buying this. Add it to your cart, then click Continue to Purchase. You'll be prompted to log in if you haven't already. So after logging in, go ahead and enter your shipping address. After that, choose your payment method. And at the bottom of that section, you'll see an option to add a promo or discount code. Paste your employee discount code there and you'll get your discount applied to your order. And that's it. That's how to use your Amazon employee discount. Thanks for watching.